Craig, always good to have you. Why the decision to make Verizon an underperform?
Well, good to be back, by the way, David. Thank you. There are a lot of things that are, I think, making the path forward for Verizon quite difficult right now. In some ways, I heard you and Jim talking about it yesterday and was thinking, this is a company that has built its entire reputation and customer base on the idea that it has the best network. And it charges a premium for having the best network. But it doesn't have the best network anymore, and it's still charging a premium. And so in some ways, you're now competing against a T-Mobile that is both cheaper and has a better product. And they're sort of being Amazoned, if you will. It's very hard to retain customers, attract customers, and grow your business when you're charging a premium for a product that just doesn't warrant the kind of premium that it historically did.
Well, let me dig in on that. I mean, you say they don't have the best network anymore. I would assume they would disagree. What is the basis for that conclusion on your part?
Well, there's a couple of things. T-Mobile has a spectrum advantage in three ways. First, they have, and this is primarily in mid-band spectrum, which is sort of the frequencies that give you the best combination of coverage and speed. Their T-Mobile spectrum is, they have more of it, so that means bigger blocks of spectrum and higher speeds. Second, they have it earlier, so Verizon is still waiting for big blocks of spectrum that they bought in the so-called C-band auctions about a year and a half ago, that will, some of which they have now, but some of which they're still waiting to get. So they are behind in terms of timing. And T-Mobile spectrum is also lower frequency, and that means better coverage within that mid-band range and fewer dead spots. And so, you're starting to see that for the first time, where T-Mobile's network is not just the fastest network, but it also has better coverage than Verizon's, which is unique. Now, again, I'm speaking specifically about 5G. In LTE or 4G, I think we've played to something of a draw, but in 5G, T-Mobile is pulling ahead.
What does it mean for AT&T? Because, I mean, there's not much growth in the industry at all, right? And a lot of it is going to T-Mobile. AT&T stock, though, is flat for the year. It's really outperformed the market.
Yeah, it has. And look, Verizon's stock outperformed in the first part of the year as well. I think there was a natural flight to defensiveness as the tech stocks got killed in the rise in interest rates. And so I think that had a lot more to do with sector rotations than it did with anything specific to the companies. AT&T faces the same challenges, and we actually have some almost as much downside in AT&T shares as Verizon. The reason we're a bit more pessimistic about Verizon here, at least as an equity, is that it has more institutional sponsorship than AT&T does. Expectations are still somewhat higher for Verizon. Their dividend yield is higher than or is lower than AT&T's, and we think there's probably more downside risk to even our estimates at Verizon than there is at AT&T. But I wouldn't want to suggest that AT&T has an easy path forward either. They don't.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.